if you only focus on subscribe and save, and if you only send people to that $90 item page, I feel 95% that we're gonna be disappointed, honestly. We all want to build recurring revenue. All of us, we want to create monthly continuity. Like we want people to pay us every month. Everybody dreams about the Netflix scenario, in which Netflix is actually getting $12 a month from every single person, and they can go to bed knowing that those $12 are going to be there no matter what. That model is very sexy. Recurring revenue is very, very attractive. But we got to keep in mind that this is the e-commerce, and I would not make this the focus strategy. I would not make that the strategy. I will keep on doing if you have a 1.8 or 2 ROAS, Ďuština, I will keep on doing that and then present a subscribe and save option. Only then. And the upsell, I think I talked about, was it with you, with ProSell?
Yes.
I think that the similar concept should be applied here. We should definitely have a simple, affordable product, Ďuština, like the drops, the capsules, the toothpaste. And once they actually give us their credit card, you should present that option, subscribe and save like crazy. And that should be added as an additional KPI, not the main KPI. But if you only focus on subscribe and save, and if you only send people to that $90 item page, I feel 95% that we're gonna be disappointed. Honestly, it is a big ask of people to not know who the heck you are, and then come into your website and be offered a $90 continuity every 2 months program. You know, it's scary. Just all you got to do is put yourself in the viewpoint of the client. Just put yourself in the viewpoint. $90. All right. It's a lot of money. I mean, you guys understand that, right? You guys work for your salaries and you work your butt off. $90 is a chunk of change. So the idea of somebody without my consent pulling $90, I understand that I gave initial consent, but 60 days on the line, somebody pulling $90 from my account terrorizes me. And I make a lot of money, and it still makes me a little bit nervous to commit to people like that. All right.